Have you ever wondered how the US dollar is made? It's a fascinating process that goes far beyond simply cranking out bills in a factory. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of the modern money printing factory, where intricate technology and skilled craftsmanship come together to produce the currency that fuels the American economy. The journey of the US dollar begins at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, where high-tech machines and expert engravers work tirelessly to create the iconic greenbacks we all know. But it's not just about printing money, it's about ensuring that each bill is secure, durable, and resistant to counterfeiting. The significance of this process cannot be overstated, as the US dollar is not only a medium of exchange, but also a symbol of trust and stability in the global economy. As we delve deeper into the complexities of currency production, you'll discover the fascinating techniques used to design and print each note, from the intricate engravings to the advanced security features. We'll also explore the economic implications of money printing and how it impacts your daily life. So, stick around as we unravel the mysteries of how the US dollar is made and why it matters to you. Get ready for an engaging journey into the world of currency production. History of US currency. The evolution of US currency is a captivating journey that reflects the nation's economic and social changes over the centuries. The story begins in the late 1600s, when the American colonies first issued paper notes, primarily as a means to facilitate trade. However, it wasn't until the Continental Congress issued the Continental Currency during the Revolutionary War that the concept of a unified national currency truly took shape. Unfortunately, rampant counterfeiting and inflation plagued these early notes, leading to a lack of public trust. A significant milestone occurred in 1861 when the US government began issuing demand notes, marking the first time paper money was backed by the government rather than gold or silver. This shift laid the groundwork for the modern US dollar we know today. The introduction of the National Banking Act in 1863 further standardized currency production, allowing banks to issue notes backed by government bonds. Historical events have profoundly influenced currency design and production. For instance, the Civil War prompted the need for more secure and reliable currency, leading to the incorporation of intricate designs and anti-counterfeiting measures. The Great Depression also played a role, as the government sought to restore confidence in the economy through the introduction of new currency designs. As we explore the rich history of US currency, we'll uncover how each era's challenges and innovations shaped the money we use today, reflecting the resilience and adaptability of the American economy. The modern money printing factory. Welcome to the heart of currency production, the modern money printing factory. These state-of-the-art facilities are where US dollars come to life, combining advanced technology with meticulous craftsmanship. The layout of these factories is designed for efficiency and security, featuring specialized areas for each stage of the printing process, from design to final inspection. At the core of the printing process are sophisticated machines that handle everything from engraving to printing and cutting. High-speed printing presses, capable of producing thousands of notes per hour, utilize a combination of offset and intaglio printing techniques to create the intricate designs that adorn each bill. These machines are equipped with precision controls to ensure that every detail, from color to texture, meets the highest standards. Security is paramount in these facilities, given the value of the currency being produced. Multiple layers of security measures are in place to prevent counterfeiting and unauthorized access. For instance, the factories are equipped with surveillance systems, restricted access areas, and armed security personnel. Additionally, the printing process incorporates advanced anti-counterfeiting features, such as watermarks, security threads, and color-shifting inks, which are carefully integrated into the design of each note. As we take you through the inner workings of these modern money printing factories, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and precision involved in producing the US dollar, ensuring its integrity and trustworthiness in the global economy. The printing process. The journey of a US dollar from concept to currency is a meticulous step-by-step process that ensures each banknote is both durable and secure. It all begins with the design phase, where skilled artists and engravers create intricate images and patterns that reflect the nation's history and values. This design is then digitized and prepared for printing, incorporating advanced security features to deter counterfeiting. US banknotes are made from a unique blend of cotton and linen, which gives them a distinct texture and durability. This special paper is also embedded with security threads and watermarks, enhancing the note's resistance to wear and tear while making them difficult to replicate. The printing process itself involves several stages. First, the background colors are printed using offset printing techniques. Next, the detailed images and text are applied through intaglio printing, which creates a raised texture on the surface of the notes. After printing, the banknotes are cut, inspected, and bundled for distribution. Quality control plays a crucial role throughout this process. Each batch of banknotes undergoes rigorous testing to ensure they meet strict standards for color, texture, and security features. Any notes that do not pass inspection are destroyed, ensuring that only the highest quality currency enters circulation. This comprehensive approach guarantees the integrity of US dollars, maintaining public trust in the nation's currency. What if this factory is yours? Imagine for a moment that you own a money printing factory. What responsibilities would come with that power? The ability to produce currency is not just a matter of printing bills. It involves a profound understanding of the economy and the ethical implications of controlling the money supply. How would you ensure that your decisions promote stability and trust in the financial system? As the owner, you would face critical questions about inflation, deflation, and the overall health of the economy. Would you prioritize profit, or would you consider the broader impact of your actions on society? The decisions made within the walls of a money printing factory can influence everything from interest rates to employment levels, affecting millions of lives. Furthermore, think about the ethical implications of your control over currency production. How would you balance the need for economic growth with the potential risks of overprinting money? The choices you make could lead to prosperity or economic turmoil, highlighting the weight of your responsibility. As you ponder these questions, consider how your decisions would ripple through the economy. Would you focus on creating a stable currency that fosters trust, or would you be tempted by short-term gains? The power to print money comes with immense responsibility, and the impact of your choices could shape the financial future for generations to come. What kind of legacy would you want to leave behind? We've learned that understanding how currency is made is crucial, as it not only informs us about the economy, but also highlights the complexities and responsibilities tied to money production. We discussed the journey of the US dollar, starting from its design phase to the advanced technologies used in printing factories. We also examined the ethical implications of controlling the money supply and the significant impact that decisions made in these facilities can have on the economy as a whole. Reflecting on these points encourages us to appreciate the value of our currency and the trust we place in it. As we wrap up, we invite you to consider the broader implications of currency production in your own life. How do the decisions made in money printing affect your daily experiences and the economy at large? If you found this exploration of currency production insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also be curious about the fascinating world of money. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.